Here's how to change your name on Facebook. Open your Facebook app. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Click on Account Center. Go to Profiles. You will see all the profiles you have. Now choose the profile you want to change the name or rename. Now click on Name. Here you can rename your Facebook name. Do note that you can only change your name once in 60 days. So you have to be careful and review your name properly. So that's how you change your name on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.